Evenly gear pump variable pressure coffee machine. Connect to kettle to make cups continuously. Stylish and compact, made of all metals. Ground your favorite ground coffee. Prepare the cup. Press the switch. Turn the knob to drain the water before extraction. Make the basket handle and the auxiliary handle at a right angle. Flip it upward and turn it to the right to tighten it. Make it close to parallel lines. Put the graduated cup. Slowly turn the knob to adjust the speed. Turn off the knob after the pressure gauge pointer moves. Let it soak for 5 seconds. Then slowly turn the knob again. Observe the pressure gauge changes. This machine is equipped with a pressure relief valve, which is factory set to 9 bars. When the pressure exceeds 9 bars, the pressure relief valve will release the pressure. It is okay when the pressure gauge rises too close to 9 bars. Extraction in progress. When the required extraction amount is reached, turn off the knob. Check the espresso. Rich crema.